Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome here up to the garden on the hillside. Today let's check out some asparagus. It is the end of March. We have a nice cool spring so far, but check it out guys, asparagus. It is popping through the ground right now. That is a welcome sight after a long winter of nothing growing. Now we're finally starting to get some production. So I came out early this morning and I was kind of clearing off all the old stems off the asparagus here, and notice that it's growing. I like to chop my the waste or the leaf litter, stems, etc. from the asparagus, and I will actually put it on top of the asparagus to mulch it, which I recommend you guys do because it helps really protect the plants. But check it out. I mean, even back over here, more asparagus popping out right there. I'm pretty excited this year. I'm really trying to harvest some asparagus. You know, after you grow from seed, you need to wait 3-4 years sometimes even before you can start harvesting. And now this year I'm going to really start going into full production harvest mode. But this is what I want to show you guys. Check this out. See this? Now it's not weeding, okay? And there's an asparagus spear coming up. There's one right there, and one right here, and another one right there. So if you're not careful and you're out here just willy-nilly just ripping stuff out of the ground, you may actually be destroying a perfectly healthy little asparagus plant. But yeah, I mean, just check out as much of these weeds. I pulled just old dead nettle, I think what most of it is, and some stems and some stalks and things like that. So definitely going to be clearing out the garden, trying to help it get looking nice before the really starting to plant stuff. Yeah, but there you go. So what I'd like to show you right now is I'm going to harvest some asparagus. I think the first of the year. I'm going to take you right here and do it. Now, if you look at the stem, all right, this is the asparagus. Of course, you want to eat up here the nice tender parts. But I'm just going to be very careful, kind of just go in about just above soil level. Snap her off. Now, can you use your hands? Sure. They have specialized tools that you harvest asparagus with. If that's what you want to get, go for it. But right now, I'm just trying to grab a little bit first of the year, harvesting some asparagus, which is an exciting sign. I am okay with that. So these are my first 2 spears of the year right here. Nice thick stems, really tender. These are going to be nice and juicy. It is pretty cold out right now, so they're going to be nice and nice and tender, not going to be hard or trying to bolt or anything like that. So I like to get here early in the morning. I recommend everybody who's going to harvest asparagus to be out early in the mornings, because if you don't, by the time you get back in the afternoon, the spears I just harvested will be, starting to cut, kind of fern out, and starting to be not something you're going to want to harvest. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one other experiment where I'm trying to blanch some asparagus to see if it's working. So blanching asparagus, or getting the white asparagus, that's very popular in Europe. To go through great lengths to do this. If you've ever seen it, they have special machines. They mound up sand and all this kind of stuff to try to get, exclude the sunlight, so they get these nice thick white stems, which are a delicacy. But I don't really have that luxury. So when I noticed that this asparagus, this is the heirloom asparagus I got from Baker Creek. I grew it from seed. Anyways, check it out. Now, this may not be the accurate, way to do it, as opposed to the real system, but check out the difference in these 2 stems. I just harvested these 2. These are underneath this bucket, and that is pretty well blanched out, I imagine. So I'm going to harvest both of these and maybe do a side-by-side taste test this afternoon, see what it's like, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out maybe here at the next video. So just a little quick tip about harvesting some asparagus, maybe trying to blanch your own at home. So thanks for watching guys from up here at the hillside. Until next time, we'll see you. Bye-bye.